Jobs, tiny house build videos, and today we'll be framing the doors and windows. Now I ordered these beautiful pieces of laminated veneer OSB panels. They are 75mm wide, 18mm thick, and they will be running all along the doors and the windows. To mount them to the walls without having any screws showing, I'll be using some adhesive. More specifically, I'll be using some montage kit. After applying the adhesive to both sides and waiting for 5 minutes, now I can add the trim to the wall. In the corner between the wall and the ceiling, I'll have an aluminium LED strip profile running right there, and I have to have a 1.5 centimeter gap between the wood and the ceiling. So I make a line where to cut, and then I'll cut it right off. So I press the piece of wood against the wall so that the adhesive goes onto the wall. Make sure to apply pressure everywhere and then take it back off so that the adhesive has gone onto the wall. And now wait 5 minutes. Now that all the vertical pieces are in, I can start doing the trim at the bottom. Alright, all the framing has been done for the main windows and the door, and I also worked on the bedroom window. Here at the bedroom window I also did some trimming. I used some plastic corner profiles here, wood colored, and white corner profiles on the front, and I even added a nice carpet here, so that's really beautiful right now. And taking you to the bathroom, it is fully done and the water is now fully working. I sealed the edges here with kit. I used some aluminium strips here to cover the edges, and now I can take a beautiful shower. And on the outside, before installing the steel exterior, I'll do another layer of water-resistant paint to make sure that the wood lasts extra long. Have a look, guys, I bought this beautiful wood stovepipe. It is 13 centimeters in diameter and it's a 1.5 millimeters thick, so that should be nice and strong. I measured exactly where it would fit in between the studs, and now I drew a circle in the right size, a couple centimeters larger than the diameter of the pipe, and I can saw it through. There you go, a nice hole, fits the pipe perfectly, and there's some room to spare for insulation. Alright, the next big job is the exterior steel cladding, and I just picked it up. I loaded everything on this tiny trailer. It was a bit wobbly at the back, but we made it and we're home now. So now it's time to unload it and check it out. Alright guys, it's time to start working with the steel. As you can see here, I have huge white pieces of 50mm retro panel. The same stuff I have in 2.5 meters, which will be going on the front side here. And here is my wood pattern steel. As you can see, huge pieces here which will be running all along the side on the back. And I have some shorter pieces which will go on the rear. I think this is the easiest panel to start with. On the rear it's just a big square. I temporarily put it up with some wood screws to measure out if everything is right. Unfortunately it's just not long enough, so I cut a little extra piece to go behind here. Alright, so I'll be cutting out all the panels I need and temporarily fixing them into place with normal wood screws and marking all the locations for the holes. I'll do that all around, so there's a lot of cutting to do. And I'm using a nice piece of wood to make a straight line. With retro panels, which are black, 50 centimeter wide, 0.5 millimeter thin steel panels which click into each other, so it hides the fasteners. Now I will begin here at the front of the tiny house to make it symmetrical. So I signed up the middle and I started from there, and now I'll go that way first. So I cut out the next part and I can just click it into place. After adding the fasteners to the right side of the profile, I can add the next one, and that's really fun and easy. So I just take the panel that I cut into the right size, place it in the right place, and I can simply hammer it on with a hammer. Whoop. Alright, so all the exterior steel cladding is on its place. These black panels are all fixed and they will not move anymore. And here I still have to add all the water sealed screws. Here at the seam between the two different steels, I will just add a strip or something. I still have to figure it out. So before I start working on the details, all of this, I will do the roof. And now all of these wooden furring trims have been added. So now I can start with the roof, but I'll do that in the next episode, so you'll see more of that later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.